Warga Patisi TV.
Wala gajah Kiwei pat ki Jylla kata ke Rajasthan, bat Madhya Pradesh, hak bag ladon ki kena ki bayab, bat ki kempang. Hadir mi ki di ka Dawai Jyrhoh, Kulrif, bat next ross DS. Ke Ophisar ke Jylla Tamilnadu, kim shim no Shongthait satya, bat watla ka singi Shuti. Henry kim shim Shuti, nomor bekakam ka ke bekerki palat, bikin le AA, syuberwan ke jingja besngausi hak ke Jylla jongki. Ke Ophisar ke Tamilnadu, galit bentes ya kini ke Dawai, kibla supply hak ke Jylla, baiklah pak benle ke tes Chennai. Batang apo arpusau kenta, kelala on penting na bagi Dawai ki bamlong, bat lakhang sendan ben penyak yo, habrok kuwe ke Jylla. Ka Tamilnadu, kelab bagi Dawai Kulrif Syrup jangka batch SR13, kiblashna daga Sresan Pharmaceutical, Hakanchi Puram District, kimlong ki bebet bandi, nama bagi dan bon pak ki jing penken ki kendon shna Dawai, kum talakhang no sendan ya ka stok hi brok kuwe. Ke Sorkar Tamilnadu kelap menaru habro kuwe ke Jylla. Ba ombit syu bende kini ke Dawai, bat ki hospital Sorkar ru kim de syu bensam syaki pait ba. Kelap hak ru ekar jingtip sya Odisha bat Pudi Sherry bat kelap panjing syairu naga company syua ban penduk no ek license jongka ke Sorkar Tamilnadu kelap kintu ki pait ba bakin pentip sya ke Sorkar wud dari gedang lap badang don kedukan Dawai ki bede ye kini ke Dawai Jyrhoh.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.